Hey, welcome to the Dyson's Crazy Adventures. This is Christina. Well, I'm starting my video off this way because, Jen and I took a drive today, and I thought I was recording, but apparently at one of our destinations, I found out I was not recording. So I'm going to just show you the pictures that I ended up taking, for a little Sunday drive that we took to kill some time. When I realized I didn't have a video once we got home, Dennis like, let's go back. If we had more time to go back, I would definitely take her back today. But maybe after work next weekend, we can go up again and see if how much has changed up there in a week. So I hope you enjoy. And make sure you hit the like, subscribe button, and thumbs up. And hopefully, since things are warming up, we'll be able to get you some more videos out. Thanks, guys. Look, 9-year-olds who still love to play in the mud. I remember when I brought her up here a couple of years ago.
Oh yeah, that was a
and
fun
she
day.
was playing in the mud.
Yeah, it was a fun day. Also, I was using a rock. See? Rock. But like, it's hard.
I'm out here in the snow in a tank top. It's warmer down in the town. It's cold up here. It's not too bad, but it is a little cold.
I should go jump in the lake.
Yeah, the lake's frozen.
Yeah, I should go jump in it.
So here are the pictures of Pineview Reservoir. It is completely covered in ice. I cannot wait to see what the water levels look like. I thought I was recording, but apparently I was not. So I hope you enjoy the pictures. So we came to chase a waterfall, and there's no water.
Yeah, I'm checking my phone.
But the river's running.
Yeah, no, I'm not being by that. That way is small. I'm not running just
We usually have a waterfall right here. Man, I'm disappointed. Hey everybody, we're at the waterfall at the mouth of the canyon on our way back home. We thought we would stop and get a video of it. Isn't that just beautiful? Dana, wave!